So current technologies, number one, we have a technology called carrier gas extraction, or CGE, which is really a humidification, dehumidification technique. It's an efficient, economic way of desalinating water with very high salinities. So we're talking water that is 2 to 5 times more saline than seawater. And that was our first technology, that was our first product. We still take very contaminated water that comes out with high salt content, oil and grease, suspended solids, bacteria, sulfides, gases, in some cases volatile organics, and generate into freshwater quality. Our second product line, or selective chemical extraction, SCE, is what we call a treat to spec water treatment solution. So we take the water coming from our customers and we ask them, what exactly do you need taken out? Because if you don't want drinking quality water, then why pay for it? Even though that solution is half the cost of what's existing there. But if you don't need it, then don't pay for it. And it's an a la carte solution where our customers tell us what exactly they need taken out, and we take that out. In both of these technologies, one of the important things to note is the ability to handle variability. Industrial wastewaters, as opposed to municipal water or seawater, can vary quite a lot. And most technologies are designed to work at a steady state, whereas our solutions take feed water that is changing constantly, sometimes even hour to hour. And we are able to continuously optimize the system to generate product water quality that's exactly the same every single time. In addition to the freshwater solution and the recyclable water solution, we also have a disinfection solution called free radical disinfection, which is really to take out bacteria at very high throughput rates. Now, this is very specific to the oil and gas industry. As the water is going down the well for fracking or drilling purposes, it is important to disinfect it, to take the bugs out, as we say in the industry, so that it doesn't create complications downhole. And our FRD solution is one that disinfects high amounts of bacteria at extremely high throughput rates. So with those three solutions, we actually can now say we have the full portfolio of water treatment and management needs, of the full portfolio of technologies that addresses the water treatment and management needs of our customers. So fresh water, recyclable quality water, and disinfection. And that is our current portfolio. In addition to these, we continue developing. Of course, technology improvement is never complete, as we very well know at MIT. We were always working on newer and better, more efficient. And same at Gradiant. Even though our solutions are commercial and they're competitive, and in some cases completely revolutionary, we continue to better them as well. So our next generation systems of the same technology are expected to be lower cost, higher efficiency, and so on. In addition to these technologies, we are working on technology called ion caging, which is specifically focused on sulfate removals. It's actually a closed loop softening system. We are also working on directional solvent extraction. It's another desalination technology for high salinity waters. Also actually one which we worked on at MIT a long time ago. More focused on small scale and space constrained applications. And finally, we are working on novel membrane systems which promise to increase the efficiency or increase the recovery of standard seawater desalination systems.